All right, Incredible World staff, one more challenge for you.
Woohoo!
Today we've learned about special birds God made and dinosaurs. So you guys are going to pretend you're birds. Get your arms going. But to make it more entertaining, you each have a roll of streamers, which you're going to kind of put on the ground. And you're just going to grab an end. Now the object of this is to see who can get the streamer by moving your arms wrapped around your arms first. You got it?
Oh my goodness.
On your mark.
Okay.
Get set.
Okay.
And go. Here is Elaine.
I'm done. No, I'm not. Am I? I don't know. I'm done.
And the winner is Elaine. All right, guys, the winner of that one was Elaine. We also talked today about dinosaurs. God made the dinosaurs. What you are going to do is take your streamers and turn it into a dinosaur egg, and you have, let's see, 30 seconds.
Dinosaur
A
egg.
dinosaur egg. Okay, are we ready? On your mark, get set, go.
Does it have to look like an egg?
It has to look like an egg.
Mine kind of looks like a petal.
Some are struggling more than others. You have about 10 seconds left.
Ah!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Elaine, show us your egg. Let me get a close-up of this.
It's very, notice how it's thin on the top and round at the bottom like an egg would be. Did that purposely?
Okay, Tia, let's see your egg. Not bad.
A little lump.
And Evan,
What is that?
good job, guys.